Hi, and thank you so much for watching another video. My name is Greg Aganowski. I'm President and CEO of EcoWash Industries. Now, if you're thinking about doing this business and you haven't yet visited ecowashindustries.com, please do. There's a lot of great literature there, a lot of cool videos. Or if you'd like to learn more, just give us a call, 480-789-0931. Love to take your call and see what we can do to help you out. Now, when it comes to working with EcoWash Industries, what you're getting is a company that's actually in this business. We have partners, Dirty Ben's EcoWash. When we started 3.5 years ago, we went out to procure municipalities, and that's exactly what we did. We started working with the cities, we work in the solid waste industry, and when you build those connections over 3.5 years, you learn the logistic of trash, and then you can teach that and help others understand how we scaled. This is why we're so busy every day. This is why we get calls every day on this business, because we are that company who has gone out and proven this concept. That's the reference, the credibility you're gonna attach yourself to when you work with EcoWash Industries. Not only get the best value for starting your business with our Kickstarter, but ultimately the reference, the credibility of a company that's actually doing it. And just a quick side note, if there's any other competitors out there you're shopping and they're utilizing our EcoWash mark, just ask yourself why maybe. They're not affiliated with us, and we are the original EcoWash brand. We started this brand a little over 3.5 years ago. You could go to back videos and watch. We're the only company actually calling this the EcoWash service. However, when you work with us, buying a truck, we endorse you with the EcoWash mark, tying you into our EcoWash group. And please note, this is your own brand, this is your own company. We're not a franchise. Now, moving forward, our Kickstarter package is guaranteed to give you the best value to help you start your business. This is true turnkey. Now, when it comes to logo design, company wrap on the truck, it's all taken care of. When it comes to the truck upfit, obviously, we're building you the most superior EcoWash system out there on the market. This also comes with a free website. We host it for 2 years, pictures, videos, and literature edits for up to 2 years. For example, last month was 4th of July. If you wanted a special promotion for 4th of July on your website, just give us 72 hours to make those changes. We'll make those changes live on your website with no additional cost. That's right, you get 2 round-trip tickets. We fly you in anywhere in the country. We fly you in for training. We're gonna put you in a hotel, rent you a car while you're here. We also do a production video with you. It's a nice little commercial we do, before and after cleanings on dumpsters and trash barrels, in which we could apply to your website as soon as that's finished up. We also throw you 10,000 flyers. These are just handout flyers. One side's residential, the other side is commercial. This is this additional value. It also comes with all the PowerPoint presentations, from city presentation to HOA presentation, solid waste company presentations. Anything that we've developed over the years, we actually have it on template. We share that with you in order to help you understand how we scaled. It also comes with a sales comp plan, helping you motivate a sales team. Shipping is also included in this package. You don't have to worry about that. That comes with the Kickstarter. Last but not least, financing is available. Give us a call to learn more. We have many different options to help you get approved for your brand new business. Love to hear from you. Again, give us a call anytime, 480-789-0931. Remember one thing, working with a company who's out there actually doing the service you want to buy into, to learn from that company will give you more value than just buying a truck from anyone. Give us a call, visit the website ecowashindustries.com. Love to hear from you. Again, this is Greg Aganowski. Make it a great day.